Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the white balance on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the exposure/color section, so this pink section right here. Then scroll down to white balance, and in white balance select white balance again. And here you have a few options. So if I take off the lens, it will be easier to select a white balance mode. So you can just select the white balance mode that suits you the best. So there are a bunch of options, even custom ones for you to edit. And once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.